Hi, thanks for joining. Today, we're going to talk about what is an escrow account? Why do I need to know it? And I know you've heard this thrown around, you've seen it online, and you're probably confused. A lot of buyers have the same question. What is an escrow account? So I'm going to break that down. So you're new to joining. My name is Mike Spindler. I'm a mortgage broker with Edge Home Finance. I've been in the mortgage business for over 25 years now, and I've helped thousands of people purchase and refinance their home. So escrow accounts, there's always a lot of confusion. It's one of the main questions I get from home buyers as we're talking through. And the easiest way to explain what an escrow account is, because this is your account, it's part of your mortgage. So the escrow account it's like a savings account that's attached to your mortgage. So you make a monthly mortgage payment when you purchase a home. You make principal and interest that goes towards the loan to pay down the loan balance. And then you make a monthly property tax payment and you make a monthly homeowners insurance payment. When you send your monthly payment in to the mortgage servicer, they will pull those two items out, the property taxes and the homeowners insurance, and they're going to put those into your escrow account. So that money sits in the escrow account. Homeowners insurance is due annually on the anniversary date of when you purchase the home. So when you buy a home, you're going to pay the full 12-month premium for the next 12 months up front. And then you make monthly mortgage payments. You'll have a slice of that is homeowners insurance, so a monthly prorated amount of homeowners insurance that goes into the escrow account. And then when the homeowners insurance comes due on the anniversary date of your loan closing, your home purchase closing, that servicer will reach into that escrow account and they will pay your homeowner's insurance directly for the full next 12 months. Property taxes are the other slice that goes into here. So depending on what state you're in, I'm in Minnesota, so we'll use Minnesota as an example. Property taxes are due twice a year, once in the spring for the first 6 months or the first half of property taxes, and then once in the fall for the second half of the property taxes. So just like homeowners insurance, you make your full mortgage payment each month. The property tax portion is pulled out of that mortgage payment and put into the escrow account, holding that until property taxes are due. So the escrow account, the easiest way to think about it, it's a savings account. These are the two items that go into that escrow account every month when you make your mortgage payment. And then your loan servicer, not you, your loan servicer who you make your monthly payments to, reaches in, they'll get the property tax bills, they'll get the homeowners insurance bills when they're due. They'll reach into that account and they pay them directly for you. Escrow accounts can be optional depending on how much you're putting down. If you're putting less than 20% down, typically your lender is going to require you to have an escrow account. And then they manage that for you. The nice thing about it is you don't have to budget for that, worry about it, save for it every single month. Some people really like to do that. They like to manage their own money. I'll always have an escrow account because I don't ever want to be in a position where I'm like, ooh, I forgot to save for the first half property taxes. Now I'm going to have to come up with this money I wasn't expecting. So I want it to be predictable every single month. I know my lender's going to take care of these payments. They're going to pay them out. I pay it monthly to them. I'm not going to collect a ton of interest on that money anyway. So I opt to have them handle it for me. So escrow accounts are a thing of convenience, really. When you get to the point where you have 20% or more equity in the home, depending on your loan product, you can determine, maybe you've been in the home 5 or 7 years, you have enough equity. Maybe you determine, I want to cancel the escrow account. I want to take care of it on my own. You work through your loan servicer to do that. No sweat. They'll refund whatever account balance you have in that escrow account, because that doesn't go towards fees. The loan servicer takes zero of that money. All they're doing is managing that, making sure when homeowners insurance and property taxes come due, that they're paying those out for you. So escrow accounts, they're really a thing of convenience. They're nice to have. You don't have to budget. But hey, maybe you're one of the few who wants to do that and you want to manage your own money. If you're putting enough down payment down, you can absolutely do that. The only other thing on escrow accounts that I want to bring up is sometimes lenders will have an additional charge if you opt not to have an escrow account. And the reason is there's a little bit more risk there, right? They're financing the house, so they have the mortgage financing on the home. They want to make sure that your asset is protected and with homeowners insurance, and that homeowners insurance is being paid on the property. So if disaster strikes, they're not caught with a loss. as well as property taxes. Your home can actually get foreclosed on due to property taxes, at least here in the state of Minnesota. I'm guessing it's the same in every state, but if you don't make your property tax payments, foreclosure proceedings can start because property taxes have to be paid. So when somebody decides that they want to manage their money and they don't want an escrow account, sometimes lenders will add a little bit of an extra fee into that interest rate that you select to compensate for the increased risk because you're managing it versus them. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Some lenders, I have access to lenders that do not charge for that. There's no additional cost. And I also have lenders that you can put less than 20% down and they won't require you to have an escrow account. That's one of the nice things about being a mortgage broker. I can shop hundreds of different lenders to find the best deal and what you're looking for. But hopefully that helps. So just remember, escrow account is prorated amounts, property taxes, and homeowners insurance to establish that account up front. And then as you make your monthly payments, property taxes and homeowners insurance go into that account. And then when they are due, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to pay them. Your loan servicer will reach into that account, pay them directly for you. I want to thank you for joining me today. I'm going to record a ton more videos on different things. And if you have a topic on your mind that I haven't recorded a video on yet, please let me know. Put a message in this video, or you can reach out to me directly. Give me a call, 612-590-8623. Happy to have a conversation with you, answer any questions you have, and get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for joining me again. We're going to have more videos coming out again next week. And again, like I said, if you think of something you want me to talk about, either give me a call or I'll record a video. Just let me know what that topic would be. We'll see you soon.